Which Scrum Master certification is right for you? Scrum is a popular agile framework that helps organizations to optimize their project development and product management. Scrum Masters play a pivotal role in implementing Scrum effectively within organizations, and a Scrum Master certification can help individuals to enhance their knowledge and skills and gain credibility and recognition in the job market. There are several Scrum Master certifications available, but the top three are CSM, PSM, and PMIACP. Each certification has its unique requirements, benefits, and drawbacks, and choosing the right certification for you can be tough if you're new to Scrum or Agile. In this article, we'll help you compare the top 3 Scrum Master certifications and provide some tips on how to choose the right certification based on your experience, career goals, and budget. Let's get started. Comparison of the top 3 Scrum Master certifications. If you are interested in becoming a Scrum Master, then you must decide which certification is right for you. The top 3 Scrum Master certifications are CSM, PSM, and PMIACP, and each has their own unique features and prerequisites. CSM is the most popular certification offered by Scrum Alliance and requires completion of a 2-day training course before taking the certification exam. This certification is ideal for beginners who want to learn about Scrum and Agile methodologies. The exam is fairly easy and does not require prior experience or knowledge of the field. However, it is important to note that the benefits of this certification are its popularity and lack of prerequisites, so it may not be as impressive or valuable to recruiters or companies. MPSM is offered by scrum.org and only requires individuals to take an exam, with taking a course being optional. This certification is ideal for those who already possess Scrum knowledge and want to acquire a certification without taking additional training. However, the exam is more difficult and requires more knowledge of the field to pass. The benefits of this certification include its affordability and recognition by recruiters and companies, but it may not be as well known or accredited as CSM. PMIACP is offered by the Product Management Institute and covers multiple Agile and Lean techniques. This certification requires a class and a 3-hour exam, and also has more prerequisites compared to the other 2 certifications. Individuals must have hands-on experience in Agile methodologies before they can qualify to take the exam. The benefits of this certification include its comprehensive coverage of Agile and Lean methodologies, recognition by recruiters and companies, and its accreditation as a Project Management Institute certification. However, it is also the most expensive and time-consuming certification of the 3. When comparing these certifications, it is important to consider your own prior experience, budget, and specific goals. CSM is ideal for beginners who want an easily accessible certification, while PSM is perfect for those who already possess Scrum knowledge and want a more recognized accreditation. PMIACP is the most comprehensive certification and is ideal for those who want to learn about multiple Agile methodologies and have hands-on experience in the field. Overall, all 3 of these certifications are recognized in the industry and well regarded by recruiters and companies. It is up to you to decide which certification aligns with your goals and budget, but it is important to remember that having any of these certifications can give you an edge in the job market. Choosing the right certification for you. After exploring the top 3 Scrum Master certifications, the question now is, which one is right for you? The answer depends on various factors such as your budget, prior experience, and specific goals. Let's examine how these factors can help you determine the best certification for you. Prior experience. If you have prior experience in Scrum and Agile methodologies, then the PSM certification by scrum.org may be the right choice for you. This certification is more focused on assessing your knowledge of Scrum and does not require attending a training course. However, the exam is more challenging than the CSM certification offered by Scrum Alliance. If you are confident in your Scrum knowledge, then the PSM certification may be the best option for you. On the other hand, if you are new to Scrum or Agile methodologies, the CSM certification may be more suitable for you. The 2-day training course you need to complete before taking the certification exam provides you with a solid foundation and prepares you to become a Scrum Master. The training course covers aspects such as the Scrum framework, roles, artifacts, and events that are essential for a Scrum Master to know. Conclusion: Scrum Master certifications are essential for building your Agile knowledge and enhancing your job prospects. The CSM, PSM, and PMIACP certifications are well regarded in the industry and recognized by employers worldwide. It's crucial to choose the right certification based on your prior experience, budget, and specific goals. With the information provided in this chapter, you should have a better understanding of which Scrum Master certification suits your needs. For more detailed information about Scrum Master Certification training, please visit our website.